Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off talkback option in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn it off, we have to go to settings, but to do it, we have to use our phone while the talkback is active. So, by tapping once, we select our icon, and by double tap, we confirm. To swipe, we use two fingers.
Search out of pager.
Settings. Select and double tap.
To activate.
Yes,
Double
to
tap
activate.
Settings. A software update is available.
Then scroll all the way down to accessibility options by using two finger swipe.
Settings.
Accessibility option. Select. Double tap. Talkback. Select. Double tap. And here we have select. Double tap.
Turn off talk.
Select.
Turn off.
Double tap.
Talkback off.
Talkback is now turned off. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.